Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the region of your TikTok account. Start by opening the TikTok app and navigating to your profile page. Tap on the Options button at the top right of the screen. Now tap on Manage My Account. At the bottom here, tap on Country and Region. You can now choose your desired region to be associated with your TikTok account. Once you have tapped on your chosen country, tap on Done for the changes to take effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tutorials.